So the calligraphy workshop I'm teaching is the basics of calligraphy. I think everyone wishes they could address an envelope beautifully, whether that be for wedding or party invitations or just for the sake of being able to send a fancy letter because it's fun. And I think anyone, even if you're not a super practiced artist, can learn calligraphy well. So much of it is just about proportion and knowing when lines need to be thick versus thin and how certain letters are formed and drawing with confidence. And all of those things can be taught in a few hours if you feel inspired enough to be receptive to learning them. There's going to be a couple different mediums we'll be working with. We'll be working with dipping pens, which are so fun and they make me feel like so fancy and old-timey. And then also brush pens, which are a little easier to use and a little bit more modern. I'll be teaching for a couple hours. We'll be doing some practice sheets, some Q&A, and I'll be going around and helping people correct and perfect their work. And you should leave the workshop with a series of supplies to do your own calligraphy and hopefully a few practice sheets that you're proud of.